Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to show you how to do the descaling procedure with our coffee machine. First of all, we have to remove the water tank from the machine and remove the inner tank that contains the descaling filter. Basically, we have to remain only with the empty tank of the machine. Once we have the empty tank, we add half liter of water, and then we add the descaling product that Caffè del Caravaggio supply with the machine, and we insert the tank in the machine. It is important you have the green light. That means that the water and the descaling product that you have inserted is enough to start the procedure. Once you are in this condition, you simultaneously press the espresso and clean button, and you keep it pressed, the two buttons, until you see the light turning blue-green. Then you can release, and you will also hear the pump of the machine working. Once the machine has terminated the first part, so it has terminated to insert the descaling product and liquid, you have to remove the water tank, rinse it carefully because you have to clean it, and add in the water tank 3 liters of water. One important condition: when you do this procedure, don't use the espresso filter, but use the beverage filter that is provided together with the machine. Because if you use the espresso filter, it will take a very long time because the water through the espresso passes very slowly. While if you use a descaling or beverage filter, the water passes much faster, and therefore the cycle also takes less time. Anyway, you add therefore 3 liters of water, and then again you press the two buttons, espresso and clean, to restart the cycle. After a few seconds, the pump starts again. When the dirty water tray is full, the machine will stop with the flashing blue light, and you need to empty this and then reinsert it in order to continue the cycle. At the end of the day, you have to finish all the 3 liters to be sure that you rinsed carefully the product. After you've done that, you will find yourself with a fixed blue light. And when you have a fixed blue light, you take away the tank, you rinse it, you add the water, and then the cycle is finished. It's important to remove the tank and not to add the water, because the machine counts the fact that you remove the tank. Otherwise, if you just add water without removing the tank, for the machine you remain in the cleaning cycle. Thank you.